I tried to set this up. I think it's about, I would say about 10 minutes. And then it froze. So now it's going back to normal. So I'm not sure if I was playing with it and then it just got froze. So this is the Galleria. Let me see, I just deleted. Also, this is a time lapse. So you could play slow motion. Delete. See, somehow it froze again. So yeah, with this GoPro 7 Black Edition, I guess a lot of people they were complaining about it freeze up. So unfortunately, it is froze. So that's why I turned on the camera earlier to record it, but somehow it got cool by itself or something. So I'm just gonna wait until see how long it's gonna take to unfreeze this camera. Yeah, since many of the customer have experienced the same problem. It's not that hot though, but just I can just feel the warm. And I press a mode, it does not do anything. And I press a shutter, it does not do anything. And as you can see, it is still brand new. I only charged the battery and turn it on, try to show you guys a tutorial on to sync it with this iPad. and just kind of playing around, do the video playback, and it just froze. So yeah, I don't think I would recommend this GoPro Hero 7. I'm not sure how those viewers that they did the reviews on. Because I haven't downloaded the app yet. Try to download to do like a reviews on the app, and it just froze. So somehow earlier just came back on to unfroze it by itself. So I'm not gonna touch it and just leave it there. See how long it's gonna take to start working again. So this one is the handheld floater with this case. So yeah, unfortunately it still froze. I'm just going to take out the battery and force to shut it down. Okay. Now I'm gonna push the battery back in. Go ahead and turn it on. So now it come back alive. So I'm not sure what is the deal with this unit.